Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and today I'm going to tell you about our Mini Creeper. The Mini Creeper is a low-profile creeper seat for sitting or kneeling and detailing or working on any lower portion of your vehicle, such as polishing your rocker panels, cleaning your wheels, or doing a brake service. The Mini Creeper features durable polyethylene construction with a powder-coated steel frame throughout the entire bottom of the creeper to give you good support. Has 4 2-inch non-marking casters, 2 of which have locks to help keep you in place when you need to. Has a 4.5-inch ride height, so it's nice and low profile. That's with the optional foam cushion installed. Without, it's about 3.75 inches. And features a 350-pound weight capacity, so plenty of weight capacity there. The optional foam cushion, of course, is a great add. Adds a lot of comfort, especially when you're using it for sitting. And this creeper is one of those tools that you never knew you needed until you try it, and then you'll never understand how you worked without it. The creeper can be purchased separately. It's also included with our Compact Sit-On Creeper 2 as the removable seat. Or if you already own our Gen 1 Compact Sit-On Creeper, you can purchase it alone or in the retrofit kit and retrofit it by removing the seat on your stock creeper and installing this, so you now have 2-in-1 functionality, your normal creeper with the Mini Creeper installed. For more information on the Mini Creeper, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage.